Hello students, welcome to TechGKCM, the official YouTube channel of our college. Myself Subhashish Shah. Today I will discuss about how to draw a dual graph or a planar graph. So here you can see that a planar graph is drawn here. Here there are total 9 vertices and 12 edges. I will draw the dual graph of this planar graph. Now first the important point is to draw a dual graph you have to use a different color ink, or you can draw dotted line for the edges of the dual. Otherwise we cannot distinguish the planar graph and its dual graph separately. I will use here red color ink. The original graph has been drawn using blue ink. Okay. Now first we have to plot the vertices of the dual graph. Now how to plot the vertices? Remind that number of faces in the original graph is always equal to number of vertices in the dual graph. Now here we can see that in this graph, planar graph, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the outer face, total 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the outer face 5. There are total 5 faces. So in the dual of this graph there will be 5 vertices. Corresponding to each of the faces there will be one vertex in the dual graph, and you can put the vertices anywhere in the faces. So we are plotting now the vertices. For this face we can put here, you can put anywhere. I am putting here the vertex. For this vertex, this, for this the outer face, I am plotting here. For this face here, and the last one. So there are total 5 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to the number of faces of the original graph. Now we will draw the edges. How to draw the edges of the dual graph? Corresponding to each edge of the original graph, there will be one edge in the dual graph. That is, number of edges in the original graph and the number of edges in the dual graph both will be equal. Simply, corresponding to each of the blue ink edge, there will be a red ink edge here. Okay, and each of the edge in the dual graph will intersect the corresponding edge of the original graph once. Now suppose for this edge this edge is common in these two faces. This edge is common, so we have to join the vertices of these two faces. That is, okay. Now we are taking this edge. This edge is also common in these two faces, this and this. So we have to join the vertices of these two faces. Okay. In such a way, for each of the edge of the original graph, we have to draw the edges of the dual graph. Now we are taking this edge V1, V2. V1, V2 is common in the outer face and this face. So we have to join the vertices of the outer face and this face. So we are joining. Okay. Now for this face, this edge is common in this face and the outer face. So Okay. For this edge is common in the outer face and this face. So we are joining these two vertices. We can see that the edge of the dual graph is intersecting the edge corresponding edge of the original graph once, and dual graph, since dual graph is also a planar graph, so no edges of the dual graph will intersect each other. In such a way, you have to take all the edges of the original graph. Now we are taking this edge is common in this face and this face. Now we are taking this edge. Here we are joining these two vertices. Since there are 12 edges in the original graph, in the dual graph there will be also 12 edges. Now we are taking this edge. This edge is common in these two faces, this face and the outer face. For this edge, this will be like this, and for this edge, this will be like this. There will be no intersection. Okay. Now for the self loop, we are drawing this edge. Now the last edge, we are taking the last edge. If there is any edge which is lying entirely in some face, then we have to draw a self loop corresponding to that vertices lying in that face. So this edge is lying entirely in this face and the vertices corresponding to this face is this. So we have to draw a self loop taking this vertex. So this is our dual graph of the original graph G, which is drawn in red ink. We can name this G dashed. Thank you.